let's make some cinnamon rolls and some lobster, Cheddar Bay Biscuits, and grape Gatorade. Hey guys, here's some red lobsters. And here's some before I put the stuff on them, which is basically gonna be like not like garlic, but like it's butter, bourbon butter. And then here's them after all. They're smothered covered in that delicious sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna continue it after this. Let's go eat these babies. When that's in the sugary. Look at the transition. I did it twice in this video. Fresh. Really good. One second. Thank you guys for watching, and this is gonna be just me saying thank you for 636 subscribers and everything. Love you guys, and here's the second throw. Wow, what poppers. Aya, Sophia, Odin, and Spirit. Oh my god, they're such a cute little poppers. Bye guys, bye.
Dotto.
And a nice good send off, but here's some nada or like some dry ones. I'm trying to get the sticky kind. But it's pretty good for bones and stuff. So I love you guys as always. So Jesus Christ. Here's my ending. Rate, comment, subscribe as always. Post376 signing out. To meet again. Yeah.